calling, whispering tales. January is here with its icy veils. Fireplace glow, shadows on the wall, quiet nights of winter's silent call. Cedar logs crackling, old vinyl on spin. Whiskey warmth, but a chill creeps in. Letters from December, words of frost, remembering the warmth we almost lost. Oh, January, you hold our breath, wrapped in blankets, we dream of death. Snow angels dance beneath the stars. In the stillness, we heal our scars. Warm coffee steam, a foggy haze, early morning lights in winter's maze. Silent roads lead to endless white. January's heart, an endless night. Memories hidden in cornered thoughts. Dusty old guitar with a tarnished string, plucking chords of what life might bring. Moonlight paints the frosted ground. In this quiet, we are finally